Roosters, the rooster's common name, are male chickens known for their distinctive crowing noise and their role in waking up the farm in the morning. They are a domesticated subspecies of the red junglefowl, native to Southeast Asia. The rooster's crow is a complex series of sounds, not just a simple caw-caw. It consists of a series of short, loud calls, followed by a softer, longer call. Interestingly, roosters don't always crow at dawn. They crow more when their environment changes or is disrupted. The primary function of a rooster is to protect the hen and chicks from predators. Their loud crowing alerts the flock and warns off potential threats. Roosters are also used in the farming industry for their ability to fertilize eggs and for cockfighting, a cruel and illegal practice. Roosters are not only useful but also have a significant cultural importance. In many societies, they are a symbol of vitality, courage, and masculinity. In Christianity, the rooster is associated with Peter's denial of Jesus, as recorded in the Bible. Roosters are not just noisy neighbors. They play a crucial role in the farming community and have a rich cultural history. They have been companions to humans for thousands of years, providing protection, fertilization, and cultural symbolism. However, it's important to note that roosters can be noisy and might not be suitable for urban or residential areas. If you're considering getting a rooster, make sure you have a space where they can roam freely and make their distinctive calls without disturbing your neighbors. In conclusion, the rooster, with its unique crow and protective instincts, has been a faithful companion to humans for centuries. From the farm to the Bible, the rooster's significance is far-reaching and enduring.